Seeking knowledge about how to make money online? You need to watch this video. In recent years, people have started turning to the internet for viable ways to make money. Lots of options exist for making income online. You can freelance for other companies, choose individual clients to work for, or even participate in crowdsourcing. Below, you will find some useful tips to help you get started. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Your downtime should be put to good use. You can perform income-generating tasks online without concentrating too hard. This is true of tiny tasks on a crowdsourcing site like mturk.com, known as Mechanical Turk. Try doing some of them while watching TV. While you may not get rich, you will be making the most of your downtime. Begin a blog. Setting up and maintaining a blog is a great way to earn money online. By setting up an AdSense account, you can earn money for each click that you receive from your blog. Although these clicks often get you only a few cents, you can earn some hard cash with proper marketing. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. If you do not want to put a large monetary investment into your online business, consider buying and selling domains. Basically, purchase a domain at a rock-bottom price. From there, sell it for a profit. Remember, though, to do your research and figure out which domain names are in demand. When it comes to making money online, the opportunities are vast. The video has some great tips that can help you become successful with earning money online. Use all you've learned here to support your family or increase your income. Student loan.